there you have it. What basically amounts to a construction progress update from downtown Bellevue in October 2022. A couple things I learned from this video, but first a reminder that after this little wrap up, tune in to the end where I'll have about a minute and a half of some more video of the construction working on the skeleton of the skyscrapers as they're building them. It's just an amazing process to watch. So that video will be at the end of this wrap up, or you could just click on the chapter markers in the description below. So what have I learned? First thing I learned from making this video and taking these photos was that glitches, technical difficulties, can sometimes lead to a new way of doing things. You'll notice there was no intro to this video, and that's because when I was recording it, I had some technical difficulties, so it didn't work out, which led me to think of a different way of doing the intro, and I kind of like it. Let me know what you think. Comments below. Thank you very much. The second thing I learned from this video was how amazing it is and the things we take for granted in the building of the things that surround us, the making of things. Watching these construction workers on their amazing athletic ability in the way they just climb and scramble across these girders is just fascinating to watch. Yeah, just watching the progress, slow and steady, the special skills it takes, and how do you even learn how to do that? There's no room for error in what they're doing. I know they're wired into a safety harness, but if they fall, man, it's still gonna hurt. So it's just amazing to watch, and glad to get a chance to hopefully share that a little bit with you. So thanks for watching this video. As always, I appreciate your comments down below. Let me know what you think, and any suggestions or thoughts or things you noticed. Let's have a conversation. Coming up videos, next week I'll be going to Bellevue Botanical Garden for some autumn photos. And then week after that will be the long promised night photography in Bellevue, weather permitting. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. You're going to click on the like button. That helps both you by training the YouTube algorithm for videos you like. Also helps this channel by letting other people know that you like this video so they might see it too. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up to you. Second thing, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. You'll get to follow along on these photo adventures throughout the weeks and years ahead. I look forward to having you join me and participating. So as always, I hope you have a good week ahead, and until we see each other, stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.